Welcome to Fragrance Remix Lab, where we explore the art of crafting perfumes. Today, I am showing you how to create a 50 ml impression inspired by Eco Women by Davidoff. Let's get started. First, I measure 19 ml of pure perfume oil. This oil is the soul of our fragrance, inspired by the light and airy floral notes of Eco Women. Make sure to use a high-quality oil and measure accurately for the best results. Precision is key in perfumery, so using clean, calibrated tools is essential. Next, I add the ethanol, which is perfume grade and carefully measured to complete the blend. Ethanol acts as a carrier, diluting the oil and ensuring the perfume is light and wearable. Pour it in slowly, and mix gently to start blending the ingredients together. Using the correct ethanol ensures your perfume is smooth and balanced. After that, I add 5 drops of fixative. This step is crucial because the fixative stabilizes the scent and helps it last longer on the skin. It also ensures the notes and accords of the perfume align perfectly. Adding just a few drops is enough to enhance the fragrance without overpowering it. Stir gently to integrate it fully into the blend. Be sure to secure the cap tightly to keep the perfume fresh. Now, let's talk about the maturity process. The perfume needs to rest for 16 to 30 days in a cool, dark place. This resting period allows the ingredients to harmonize, deepening and balancing the scent for a refined finish. Patience is essential in this step, as it truly brings out the beauty of the fragrance. And there you have it, a beautiful 50 ml impression inspired by Eco Women by Davidoff. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Fragrance Remix Lab. Let me know in the comments what fragrances you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching and happy blending.